Welcome to Disability Response Limited. This is where we believe the people with disabilities and other groups such as children, youth, and survivors of gender-based violence have the right to participate in every aspect of economic, social, cultural, and political activity in Burundi without discrimination. We are committed to advocate for the rights of the voiceless by ensuring that they attain their basic needs through effective service. Everyone at Disability Response Limited is welcome. This is Jackson Kezimana. He is 16 years of age. He became disabled after birth, and this was when he was 6 years old. He is an orphan who has been raised by someone else. He is used to breaking his body, and sometimes abscesses are manifested due to the external fixator found in his leg for a long time. The carer is afraid that there may be a possibility of having cancer. The carer is asking any good Samaritan who can donate money to pay when they take out the external fixator. Additionally, the carer asks anyone who can donate a wheelchair for Jackson because the one he is using is no longer working. He is in grade 7, but sometimes is absent due to the lack of mobility device. He has a problem of school uniform